Hey, check this out. I'm gonna show you how to fix a non-working lawnmower, okay? It won't start. I'm gonna show you the procedures you should take to fix this. And that applies to all small engines, all right? First of all, there are three things that make a lawnmower or a small engine go, every engine for that matter. Spark, okay? Make sure you got a good spark plug. Compression from the, from the rigidity of this tells me that I have good compression. Okay, there are ways you can check. If you have a compression gauge, you can check it, and that will ensure that it has good compression. And of course, fuel. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna spray some carburetor cleaner. If it's a fuel issue, talking about you, there's an issue with a carburetor. All right, so that's not it. Now we're gonna check for spark. Okay, we're gonna make sure that when I crank it, there is spark coming out of this wire. There's a spark plug right there. It might be a spark plug issue, but we don't know yet. So this is ground. What you do, you ground this to the chassis somewhere where there's good ground, and then you go like this. If this is working properly, you should see it light up a little bit. Let me bring it closer so that you can see if it's lighting up. Okay, pay attention to pay attention to this. It should light up. Do you see it? So most likely, spark plug needs to be changed. So we're gonna go ahead and do just that. So I went ahead and loosened the spark plug. So we're gonna take it out. Look at this. You see it? Yeah. Most likely the spark plug is gone. It's really, I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's really black inside. The spark plug been around. So yeah, this by the way, you see that hole where the spark plug goes? That's where, if you have a compression gauge, you would put it in there, and of course you go to the specification manual, and it would tell you what the pressure should be as far as compression. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap a spark plug. Now I have the exact spark plug. Let me see. Okay, I have to go to Home Depot for that one because I have other spark plug here. I don't think it would fit in there. It's for another. It's a bigger engine, and the spark plug is a lot smaller than what I have. So okay, I'm back. I went to Home Depot real quick. You check the spark plug number right here. In this case, it's BPR 5ES. And this replacement, they show you all the past, replaceable depending on the, the mark. I mean, if it's a champion and whatnot. So it's BPR 5ES, same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and swap. I already took it out, obviously. Here it is, the old one. We're gonna put the new one in and check it again. That's it. Hopefully, cross our fingers, it will do the job. All right. You don't have to tight it, real hard. Just enough that you can't turn it with your hand. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back. All right. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and put back the air filter. Make sure everything is snug and tight. And I did a hack because this cable right here is broken, so I put one temporarily. Let's see now. Let's see if it goes.